far is brother. This is Sompa 93.1 live on television or Sompa TV. We are live on Facebook, Sompa 93.1, and then on 93.1 megahertz. This it's your man in the morning, Omanhene Yaw Boakye, and this is Ade Akye Abia. His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama is ready to crack the whip. Why am I saying that? President Mahama says contractors who received double payment for road construction during the previous government will be punished. Nasem nyina ne say contractor phobi onoma womo eje sika mprenu nanso contract ye de ma omo ne kwan omo ye no womo anye ose womo wobetwe oma so pa eno no ewo ho a yentie de omampani akai
ye bi atonchen ye de sase kan bi atonchen ye de ye program my friend the big push na big push no ye de be ye akwan minim se nananum bebre abra ye ko campaign ade ba ko ade bi omusu hu ene se akwan asem ye ba ye akwan a ekoso no ye ka se contractors dem twen kakransa if you say ye be ye audit if you say ye hu se akwan ni bi eye akwan a road fund de tuaka obehwe ne de certificate ni biom akọ finance na finance so akọ tuaka double enti catch auditor general say on auditing sa akwan ni nyina na auditor general we wie na juma or the report na ba enti ye be ma contractors ni nyina asan akọ site I just say omunya double payment no ye betwe omaso na big push.
Okay, enti no na big push sika no ehon so ye ne hon toto ye nyina no okagum. With unity and consistency we can win back the trust of Ghanaians. But if we are divided and fighting among ourselves, none of us can lead a party to fulfill its true purpose. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia anano omugo share mu na Ade Akye Abia no kasa eno sese ye kan hu bomu a Ghana fo ebesa anya gidie we mu emom ye twiti abasa ne sre na ye ne aye twitwi ye hu no obi ani won mo betima lead party no na ma party ne botaya bem. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia,
we can declare therefore that the bonds of unity in diversity has been our lifeblood and our foundation. Now more than ever, we must refresh them and desist from any language, character, or actions that divide us. With unity and consistency, we can regain the trust of Ghanaians. If we are fractured and at each other's throats, none of us can cross over and lead us to fulfill this party's purpose. Let me say that tribalism and religious bigotry, from whichever quarters it emanates, pose an existential threat and should have no place in the new patriotic party. We must also be consistent in pursuance of our effort to address not just the challenges within, but more importantly, the challenges that bedevil our mother.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enono afenyoma Kenya minority leader na Ade Akye Abia no ma ono nso osimre du say omo yaw omo they should turn their pain into purpose. No so obi ani wo party ni mu a oso chain MPP party no afenyoma Kenya.
As for the battles ahead, Ghana deserves better. Our 2024 loss expose our cracks, internal rifts, faltering resolve, and a message that didn't connect. Yet this defeat is not our end. It is our crucible, fortifying us for the battles ahead. You must channel this moment of disillusionment into a movement of renewal, turning pain into purpose. Let me share a story that should humble all of us. In 2005, we too must rediscover the principle and the ethos that define our founding fathers. We must rebuild, yes, but not as a scattered stones. We must rebuild together, brick by brick, anchored in our values and in the unshakable belief that no individual is bigger than the MPP.
Okay, enti odi atuja asantemera 247 to abebio na nyankwada. Ese mraso say large scale mining concession. Yede mema Ghana for. Eya kamia ye say small scale na say Ghana for didi ho. Ena omo mufre abrochire edi omusikaba. Yede eye small scale mining no ama yen ena indigenous no ene yede large scale mining ama brofo. Also it is time for large scale mining concession to be granted to Ghanaians. Ghanaian invested instead of foreign companies. As Antimera.
Share review committee no share. Sa provision mine no. See the mo be a Ghana for ni any kind farmer. No ni abrofo be partner ya partner. Nesika non ka. Say obiga South Africa Johannesburg ye go da. Woman na wo ye nyina South Africa for na ye. Enti so obo ase na kiede ma ye ne bibifo ebisa na enso ye de kwaji sika se de omo kan ya. Ya krachifo akosua mining engineer ne ye nyina entimi fo mu mo nye. Eno na ne wo se eno ne asema da ho e wo se ye hwe ne ene constitution review committee no share sa provision na wo constitution na ego mu no ye hunu ko ye de be fa so. Western region, Western North, nyina mines wo gold. Na ho no nti omo ntimi inform company me yemfa ma before ne yemfa nkopa busia ma yema ehofo no nyina anya adwuma na sika no so nka Ghana. Eno answer geological survey and minerals commission. Omo ntimi ye survey hu ba bia deposit ne wo. E prepare de no to ho ma ye na chese obi braba say na tie. Ono na ka na ehu se ha na deposit wo ha na deposit ha. It is a war offense was as so a ho ye hunu. O ni ene na ka. O hi fast as so a na ehunu ni ene. Ti basa no a Boakye traditional council wenya bi the urban so wenya bi ne royalty na ye den equity ne wo mu a wo so nya na da ho afebo ma mo dididie no royalty na ye ni abra ye ka wa
Asantibera na akasa no na piao abai edi sika 603 million National Health Insurance Authority arrears otia na kwamra minta kando jina ho no de na mka se sheik alaji minta kando
frontline services providing quality. As the fund grows, we will ensure that every CD reaches frontline services providing quality care to all Ghanaians. Not only have we uncapped the levy, but we have also been committed to releasing funds swiftly. And I'm proud to announce that the National Health Insurance claims arrears totaling 603 million Ghana cedis as of December 2024 have been fully settled. This milestone demonstrates our commitment, government's steadfast dedication to timely payment and fulfilling our obligations to healthcare providers.
Yeah, I dear. Asante Akwaba. Yeah, also Akwaba. Bibi Aboko. I want to believe, said during the weekend you all monitored the MPP's delegates, national delegates conference. Now, Bajo, Chama to me mona basu. Yeah, winning one thing. Chama to me as I grow, has really perfected his English.
Yes.
Because we all know some years back, for almost 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes on a channel 1 interview. It was as if quoting articles explaining using correct you kind of say expressions and then even tenses. And I'm like, wow. Chama to me. Oh, to be frank. Now share ne apparel so but Akarina na share no the way all the MPP colors no apam yina ene ne che. Oh, the other money ni picture ho. Chama to be video no di ho ya.
Oba national chairman no akonta. Oba national chairman.
Now obu say an question be e do say tamti or the say ade o ba ha no enye no be ka ho ase. Now if the party wants him out, whom am I?
Yes.
Whom am I? Still I buy. Special. Oh, but yeah, truth be told, Asante, I was impressed.
Oh, yes.
Me tell to me Kasa Ache.
Yeah.
But Saturday, no. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Ne bro.
And you was oh, come on, time.
Yes.
Oh, I'm telling you. Baby, and your pamper for any Munyam Sambia, a book for the Munukwa. All the Michono. Oh, I'm quite to say, nobody gave Woon to me a dog chance. We have heard Woon to me speak English some time ago. And Saturday, oh, I doff my heart for him. To be frank, Mitiafe Bijida, you never say I'm saying. Chama.
To me.
For national chama. My God.
Oh, my national chairman, do Joseph.
I'm for you.
Your policy, the man.
Because the people wanted Boakye Jakun.
Yes.
As the national chairman. But I said Boakye Jakun doesn't want it. I said, on Fanny Tinjay. Chama to me. Make no mistake, can be the national chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Yes. And I Adiana, ye no two money adi cross every year. It's also propelling the kakra. And now he's been quiet.
Oh, very calm.
Very calm, relaxed, and doing his own thing. Very popular across the regions. Ojinabebino ye choboya, Eastern region, homogeneous ye. But as to say, Emre omu hiano as chairman. Emre any shebre ne bechile. Yeah, can we have the video? Okay. Asante. Mami Shase free ho. And I pay Dr. Azik Tufo, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member, and Dr. Simon Boateng. Oh yeah, Amstead and communication team member for New Petroleum. I'll be dealing with the doctors here. We're having a lot of deliberation concerning, but what major issues concerning Omoin? Now they've increased the polling station. Yeah, now come 15. They've made it 7.
Okay.
Now it's 7.
Okay. Instead of 5.
Instead of 5, no. Now I'm going to cost 7. Okay. Now, no ambiguity. The national chairman at all time will be the leader of the New Patriotic Party.
Yeah.
The national chairman. But the elections, they are going for 31st. They are maintaining the 5. Almost 7 about the constitution. And so the status quo is 31st January. Album that I never honor the Kotoaba.
Yes. To be beyond
the expansion, I remember former for you beyond to be. Yet, Chama to me.
We didn't discuss that one here. We didn't discuss that one here. We didn't discuss that one is not. We didn't discuss that one here. That one is a discretion of the National Council. It's not here. Here is a conference. We come to deliberate the proposals people have brought before us through Article 19. Okay, but doing the primaries or elections, there is a different it's a different what do you constitution.
Last thing for me, one of the other proposals that was rejected was the fact that there was a proposal for the constituency to appoint people to actually monitor constituency elections, and it was also rejected. What do you make of it? I think it's an attempt to give more power to the constituency. Why did you reject it? And what do you make of it?
It's not me. When the people spoke, okay, whom am I? I'm the million people need you. I am Munti, and I'm a national chairman.
Clear sound. Asante, proposal Saba, and I want to believe, sir, going forward, one more, any AJ, we interview Benifone Bibrea. They were happy for one thing, the enthusiasm of the youth. And in Nipe Baho, now MPP after the defeat. Now Oshe, people were dejected and a whole lot. But Omuko Shiemuno, as a day and Kenyan be by. And an abyss so Ebejna ho, and NDC as Anqua, and electricity water. Nanabi, what he forgot and say, even though one gun and Abano. Omu Petro, no still, and I was roaching Gangana.
Oh yes, price.
And Tiano more review. Except how can come up by am for our own because even though one Ghana city I bet toilet so
yes.
I will form chain MPP time. As Auntie Mammy too.
Oh my, it's just MPP. I'm just say proposals now amendment that hold on in a party non canco.
That's right.
But if I say we never figure and then she. And then more able to join now it was because of
party member as a pillar of the
promise never a course eventually come as a party ni jama omo kotoba no kwa na party yomo dia they were the only stakeholders. Meanwhile yeni ayeba kotoba afterwards no yen so ye major stakeholder because enka omo kwa na kotoba ko yimpanufo a nka pipi ni problem bomode omo kan dey so mu yi nyina be kire yen no nipa 270 be kire yen no nipa mu 88 and 87 etimi parliament I kire we say na Ghana for do na ne omo nya adwen wo nipa omo yi omo say emeto omo so aba no enti nipa dom na events amendment na hodo omo de aba na omo bagya tum no me no omo ya adwen with regards to expansion any expansion of a polling station empo former MMDCs ni MPs no ne yi nyina ye say omo beto aba ba nam de me worry an say omo he say no omo say sa I events amendment omo ye we nyina omo ntumi ntoba January ni bia na
Debbie
ti say maybe 2032 when say
there be some way that you see our primaries after the election no
so after 2022 elections no na ngbagunya akonya to primaries no next black flag bearer
I said next flag bearer no 31st January 2026
and I say
for 2028 election but they will inculcate it in the next presidential which is 2030
okay but so about election no
2028 the 2030 no betima to be
okay
I feel what I say next election about 2030 for 2032 elections. That's right.
Including MMDCs in this side.
Yes.
No. So, sir, a amendment to my doesn't.
So for my approval, 54 motions.
Motions no the buy no mine. 54. So it doesn't take events introspective events.
No.
In next elections, but after say Omakoto aba na wie no.
No more the shame.
No. Omo nkyeremu ye because yaw baba kodu baby na bia omaja to my MPs no so abato no ni nyina ka ho bi because omo ka say
MPs na abato no MPs na abato no 2026 December
ente no abebema na ana take effect
say when the amendments take effect omo kire say after elections 31st no it will be inculcated into there.
So does it mean say
it means that MPs elections no one better to be for the primaries also this year no we are there a novelty for them for the flag bearer no we are all other election from polling station here the nyina sangrofo e better to be
and you know MPs for the major one and for that matter yes internal elections ni mama kwa to MPC for no so okay e ba sa na college ni be buy
that's right
ama manfo who say it is all encompassing for bia ho
that's right
me kwa na me ka say woman lectures bia they are known to be supported the party ni nyina no omuntu ni bi oma me de America kakra ye na open so kafa ayi no ho no e fa ni say gold no ho no oma me gidi say gold no dia ade ya odi asebe onye obi na be fili ni memu say obaba betu amawo niema say you need technical knowledge but any resources in terms of sikase but over the years yeni mofia nante sa to go do is more than 50 years say binim dia be pa na kabiem na resources no kwa say gold mbun equipment kwa mine would a good reputation as a mining firm yetimi free na makraba betu gold later no wa kwakutua and it is time say yes animal we nyina na expatriate sabi sikatichi dia etua ma ba akofo otini monto abosome yetua ne ka more than $10,000 mi wa adwuma ye nya de ehu bia ama kuko kan yesia ye kire mofra no sa animal we ho omu wie school ba no mo sa kwa mono ne omu nya adwuma ni bi nya because boni bi te ho enti semre adua god is omu kire ma ye ntu ketekete kra bebia omu ma yehu bebia god nyina wo na ye nya proper mining on say Omanhene say ekama say the yen locals ye tuni nyina no a small scale mining or illegal mining akofo how abraye it is time to say Kenya opportunity to the proper mining now and Ghana for be say the Nimon force to go said the Anglo go to go the M5 environmental hazard emre yen no yen so team to go sa kwan so be boy my man etum point dey open so aka no ne kwan so ano ache o say right now nka Anglo gold yenia na ebibia Nimon yenia na ebibia and many just say sir Azuma resources Ghana need na take over and if there are more ones omoma Ghana for take over na mo ma eduma no sika ni bibia nka ase ne basa na dala ye bre nyina no ye betu nipa ne ka Ghana CDC ma e be ba ma ye ma na akoso
yaw NPP omo reforms ni ye koso mu nsem na kwakoye babi amani ekodi akire ye omu youth organizer elections.
That's right.
Youth organizer elections no ya grace for second one no etoso we motion 54 no for motion 17 no say 18 no etoso na MPP mremo no so be contest youth organizer or say any kwan say obro 40 years.
It's only about 35.
Na omo propose na any be propose say with new media your friends say social media near their dene sa na no mu fi say nipa ni nkodi 40 years no mu fi say wanyini dodo comment so enfamra 35 but delegates ni ko share no omu fi say one delegate amiti no say Ghana ne Africa your maya akwada ni nwie school onye university na bia onye adwuma kra anye no na fi no kika ko 35 hono mo obekwa akọ haida onya baby krantna wonka se bia me sha brabo ase no na okika akọ 40 hono mo nti omu fi se 40 na gina hono mo a ebeboa ekoye omu kofa abrantie 35 a afa no de ti epimpim mu apa adwuma ya na brabo kra no onya enhu de baby odefa na wasaso aba badwene ede ama nipa binim ti ebno omu kokochi en delegates no vote against proposal no omo fi se 40 years no enyina hono mo a na ebia omo empe ebe na binom so suggest se omo oppositions bia omo efi se enka sa position no ti se bia me kope national chairman akota national chairman no ebia o se me was some qualification bi o se ebia ti se me kope communications for the party. O say bia me will be a more communications background.
That's right.
And yes, obia say radio
yes, we communication or constituency and our region.
Debbie. Director of communications for the party, either constituency level and our regional level,
and
national level. No mufi say
also crabby.
There will be kuta be about communication because he say nye. And no the IT
dissemination of information on an assistant
mo if he say omo fa sa ne ma na emremu but party if he say omo de omo te so de about 35 no emu awunum enyira 40 na 41 no
ya ba kususu ni omo research and electoral affairs officer.
Yes,
they have decoupled it.
Yes,
and I you almost almost say
one area
where a research officer no answer electoral officer director of elections yeah or research only anything by research
ade ni mienu nyina onimu he
by elections near time no near ye de na kontra ho abato omoto no ono a ontiase nukra ayi allies omo dey adwuma nkwa oni now they believe say they have decoupled it. They will appoint a research officer and they will appoint an electoral affairs officer. He or she will be in charge of elections. Research no we so na ye investing for na adwuma.
Abota say obi a wo appointed as a research officer. Na even research no one friend say quantitative analysis ne
qualitative no ne sample size ne onim she eso e research
eso e research
no dey ato no call ho
me na me research my constituency
e dey research no ya e dey omo ya research 2024 research be no be aba every about me
so
and the man of data also data you know
data na me no so akotenti party ni fi say enema bebre ho no mo ma yemfom so wo ho na mo hwe ne tra keke but enema ne bi ho no mo a o say o mo ti o mani no mo hwe ni ye
but one major issue is article 7 no
yes
obi bia ye nya position say elected or appointed na omo wa bam
yes.
Now, the moment I did a ban what you resign.
You resign, yes.
1 year to an election. So person contest here.
Yes.
Resign,
yes. As a government appointee.
As a government appointee.
Whether
CEO, everything.
Okay.
Obia aban ama Juma we a board member who ni so adin who say be our contest as MP and as open national position so ana flag bearer omo wa ban mu a ye the 2 minimum I will say or resigning the moment you make that 1 year it fancy this DC na e be I am out DC what be di be 1 year on be to aba Sajini will team so bad there. Resign. And yes, sir, say one resign. Now, after 6 months, resign, they will disqualify you.
Yes. Now, a presidential so a minister or possible presidential ambition.
You also don't whether you are a minister, once the CEOs need be a botia. This is the part.
Yes.
This is no resigning. Na CEOs no. Obi Okrana Akufado. Akufado ne penso no na okuta ayi position oku
yes
now a national electricity so osa pre ejawo
owiapem as parliamentary candidate
it took almost about 2 months apart no you can't do that
one offense is it offense north or offense south offense north the current MP no honom no na oye CEO of CTV to something like Tibet and na ode koko wini we no okoso aye adwuma na kosi say
no you can't do that
eto abawie ya ode
so ambition na wa adwene say opeso kwa ja adwuma no to
no fi say CEOs ni bi so no ame wo mo
yes
omo de be contest MPs no e wo constituency
yes
Omsa party no kwaye emra so ye DC ya
resign a year before
resigning so
but outside down you can say it was so bia because Eddie amememfi by enti DC is bebre they turn the blind eye election time no do you know CEO ono ni nyina ya appointed no ono no ba be contest ono so nyanko no de be pre enti e ba sa no fam
one who say offense do baby na the parliamentary candidate or matter of Dr. Samuano na one DC na no ho memra your friend say MP Collins intim
elusu ye
no na DC ni Collins intim akwala
afi no ne dey ashim
no ne me no afi na crashes
can you imagine very good
even on the day of the elections
nyame kwa na na dom
mo enka sa friction no
all the make I think it is a very good thing
another one say almost say flag bearer no so no instead of say 11 months to election e be 2 so abano enye enko say 18 months me say wa mu was wa
in their normal 2 years to elections e no moto aba eti we say nkebeko December but almost the ebobo ba no a e no mo pese omo ye saa de no on say Jekufo onya 2 Ekufado susu Ekufado 2016 omo to ababa no early February 2014
yes
Ekufado it is this what they want to do but I think say omaji atum see there omo try the modalities that will come for January 31st
omo see ebi ohonom a straight away omo gi two mu ohonom no ano it takes effect and you obi ohoso so a o say abato ene ade kokoso na ede sa eba but say DC is no DC is o makoji atum say DC bia former DC bia ebetima to aba no straight away omo nim the list
ntino ide omo
shim betimi de omo aba be shim but to call polling station 77
yes omo to
yes omo to
no we nya 7 no asana former for na be ka
31st January aba no this is no maji o matum no
ometima to aba ni bi
so into identification no
difficult. An election will bring them out.
Election
yeah, last Friday na a discussion na last batch of employment was 2020 na ya so de behwi mu no later we said and come some setting the record straight according to no necessary no almost last employment no it was 2020 and a foul
Tomo aka no ofie
omo aka no ofie and no mom gufie no ka kire me se ba ko sisi kura no ya mom defu no ba ko no djuma ye undertaker ananya sa ho kana a djuma ye no obi obeye nesi ni daachi na sisi
na ofru no de da onim ska onya
da bi o nteni onko ni fun djuma no onya nto
e de ya mom kan say o ka so ye nesi ni na sisi a o de defu na I say omom de defu na
enya sa o de person mchene say on sen kan adwuma o sua ye na ko wie school na ye fa
ko ye nyina adwuma ye sua ye ko school nya ho adwuma na ye
ti e wo say obi a ototo kokko obi a bia wo to anwamo nesi ni asa na ma we dem ko we sen ko wie school na ko nya adwuma na nka e ne ko the motor department ko fa no che
we nyina ya so busiafo me na le homa ye ba abrantie satie wo pa emba ne Orlando Yekrado de seven ba wudi grofo omo akọ school anya professional omo to agu ba bi kra ye yi
gudi a ban fa na djuma bi se na oyi ni ho afiri
yaw me yire woni PhD in hospitality eba hotel ne sa ne manom ne management ne wo ya me yire ko PhD Koma kola ne ko he
say one class of the be adwuma bi wo ja to
ayam dabi enya so fanya adwuma yawe enya so fanya adwuma o ko tran mother care no ne baby care no ede sika o hwe egu na account tum nya bi ni we ewra no de fru no weekend kone ko busa no Sally say new ones abey designs ni ade o mu ye say o capital kakra no ka bomo timi de defru ba miensa
we me de me kan say so be defru de ye adwuma papa on say on concentrate
no nya nurse
no offense abaya bi
efru ni nurse the same thing
obaya be quarter
ya grace
say ni na ni pa wo
ni ya ni pa wo adwuma ba ko awu na ba ko ti ase